Are you facing the daunting prospect of dealing with a county court judgment? Well, in this video, we'll break down the complete county court judgment process so that you know exactly what to expect and what actions you can take to fight back. A county court judgment, commonly known as a CCJ, is a court order used in England, Wales and Northern Ireland to make somebody pay a debt that they owe. If you fail or refuse to pay the money owed, the other party or company can seek a CCJ to enforce payment. However, the claimant must follow a strict county court judgment process to make you legally obligated to pay. When a county court judgment is served, the judge will instruct the debtor to pay the debt. There are two ways this can happen. Firstly, judgment forthwith, requiring the debtor to pay the full amount in one payment. Secondly, judgment by instalments, allowing the debtor to pay off the debt over multiple repayments based on affordability. If you receive a judgment by instalments but believe the repayments are too high, you can request a redetermination, where a judge will review the situation. Failure to satisfy either judgment may lead to further action. Before a creditor can obtain a CCJ against you, they must first follow certain steps. First, they must send you a letter of claim, offering a solution to the problem. If no resolution is found after this communication, they can then send a default notice, warning you to pay the debt or to expect legal action. The Consumer Credit Act may also require a 14-day waiting period before legal action can be initiated. Now let's explore the strict process that claimants must follow to obtain a CCJ against a debtor. Firstly, a letter of claim. The pre-action debt protocol requires the claimant to send a letter of claim to the debtor. The letter should propose a solution, often suggesting repayments in affordable instalments. You'll have 30 days to respond and accept or negotiate the proposed solution. Secondly, default notice. If the 30-day period expires without a resolution, the creditor can send a default notice, providing another warning and urging payment. If the debt is covered by the Consumer Credit Act, they must wait 14 days after you receive the default notice before proceeding further. Step 3. CCJ claim form. If there is still no resolution after the default notice, the creditor can apply for a CCJ and you will receive a CCJ claim form from the court. When dealing with a CCJ claim, there are 3 possible responses. Number 1, agree to owe the money and provide your financial situation to the court for affordability repayments. Option 2, file a defence if you disagree with owing the money. Option 3, submit an acknowledgement of service if you wish to fight the claim but need more time to get prepared. You have 14 days to reply to a CCJ claim, but extensions may be granted if needed. Failure to respond in time, or at all, may result in a default judgment against you, requiring full payment or instalments, possibly without considering your financial situation first. If the creditor didn't follow the correct process, you can respond to the CCJ claim form by asking for it to be set aside, effectively cancelling it. However, this doesn't write off the debt, it simply provides another chance to address the situation before any legal action. To get a CCJ set aside, you must complete and return an N244 form, stating a good reason and paying a fee. There should also be an argument against the debt, such as disputing the amount that's owed. A court hearing might be required to grant the set-aside. If you're struggling with debt, then there are a number of debt solution options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others will include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description to get started and answer a few simple multiple choice questions, like the total amount of debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.